Hey, it's Aubrey here from Dr. McRae's. Now, if you're anything like me, you are surrounded by electronics. I'm using my cell phone right now. I have a computer right in front of me, my phone, you name it, my iPad. Now, we have a product that not only protects you from blue light, but also protects you from this nasty pollution outside. But this product doesn't do just that. It is like a rocket ship booster of antioxidants for your skin. You have a day cream and a night cream. Now, the day cream is amazing. What it does is it helps protect you from blue light and the night and pollution. And the antioxidants also are great anti-aging. It's also helped me personally with my acne, which is amazing, and I'm loving my results. My skin's glowy. It's almost like a pregnancy glow in a bottle or a laser genesis in a bottle. It is amazing. Now, the night cream is like a rocket ship booster for your skin, a recharge to help recharge, rejuvenate your skin from your day's work, from exposing yourself to electronics, pollution. Our skin really needs those antioxidants. Most of us don't get those antioxidants in the food that we eat alone. So this Lumivive system kit is great for anybody, any skincare regimen. You can fit this right into any of your skincare. It is great, male or female. It's a Lumivive system kit. You get a day and a night cream. They're both 1 ounce. And then also with the purchase of this kit, you will get the HA5 1 ounce for free, which is a $120 value. Who can beat that? So call us, come in to see us if you have any more questions, and we'll be happy to lead you the right direction for your skincare.